Hey everybody, it's me, Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping by for another special STEM project. Today, we're doing pumpkin volcanoes. Hey. Now, it may be well after Halloween wherever you're at, and pumpkins have been sitting out for a while, so they've really done their job. They really scared folk. They were decorative. Even if you don't celebrate Halloween, you may have had some pumpkins out as a way to celebrate the beginning of fall, which is common. So, you don't even have to have cutting. I just happened to cut mine out, had a little light in it. So now that it's after, giving out the candy, that's all done, and we're sitting here with these pumpkins. What can we do with them? Okay, now the first thing you say, and okay, I know, just throw it away. Okay, so that's the easy thing, right? Throw it away. But how about giving it a second chance with a pumpkin volcano? All right, so obviously what you need is the starter shell, pumpkin. You need some baking soda. We have that. Also need some vinegar. We have that over here. So it looks like water, but you can tell vinegar by the smell. So if it smells a little like it smells like tangy. It smells like it has a funny smell to it. So that's vinegar. So you can tell that that's the difference between this, what's in this bottle, and if you pour a bottle of water and you're like, oh, I can't tell a difference. And then you don't have to put your nose right directly on it. You can just blow it up, blow it, and smell it. So that's how you can tell if that's vinegar from water or any other clear substance. So we have vinegar right there. We have our food coloring. So let me pick up this little handy dandy guy that rolled down. So I'm going to use red. Of course, you can use anything or any color, whatever your favorite color is. We have some dish soap. So for all of our dishwashers out there, hey, you know what this is, and I'm spilling some, but there it is. And also some glitter, because why not, right? Oh, it's optional. You don't have to add the glitter, but who can say no to some shine? I'm just saying. Okay, so now the chemistry of this, we're gonna figure out how can we make this ordinary pumpkin scary in another life, or decorative in another life, a volcano. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down, and we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna take the top off of here. My top is still on, so I'm gonna just take it off. Still some pulp and seeds in it, so I didn't want to take it all out, right? You can scoop it out, and I did just that. So you can also use the seed and the pulp. You can put it in the bag and make it something squishy, just like this. Make something squishy, make a nice sensory bag. Or I'm going to put it to the side, so when I make autumn slime, which is another upcoming STEM project, I'm going to try to put these in and see what happens. Okay, so we're going to use that. But anyway, I'm going to take the light out. Oh, that's out. And so what we're left with is pumpkin. So we have little seeds in it. Some pulp is still in there. I didn't want to get rid of everything, so I want something to come out, hopefully, as we do this experiment. Ooh. Okay, so what do we know? Now our first thing I'm going to put in is the baking soda. So I'm going to put this in. It's about a 1/4 cup. So if you use a measuring cup, will you see the 1/4, that fraction? And that's how much you should put in. Now, if it's a bigger pumpkin, you may need a little more if you really want a lot of fuzz or a lot of Keno, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I put in a little bit more than 1/4 cup, but you can also, like I said, if you have a bigger pumpkin, you can also do the same. Now, next thing I'm going to put in is the dish soap. So, and once again, you want to do all of this if you need help or assistance. You want to ask your parents, you want to ask your older sibling, a caregiver, you know, a guardian, anyone. And also, most importantly, get permission. So whatever you use, from the pumpkin to the dish soap, you know, from the food coloring, you always want to get mom and dad's or older siblings okay. All right? Because while we are, you know, scientists, and we love that you love science, we are first getting permission, and another, number one, your safety is first. Okay, so permission is tied up. Permission and safety. Okay, so two number ones. Okay, I'm not even number one or number two. They're both important. So, anyway, I'm going to put in the food coloring here. So I'm going to put in a few drops. And I'm going to use this funky red. Like I said, you can use any color you like. Okay, so if you have a funky blue or a funky orange, okay, you can use that. And last but not least, now we're going to put in the vinegar. Now once again, you can tell the vinegar by that smell, right? So if it kind of tickles your nose, makes you go ooh, right? Kind of strong. So that's what vinegar does. Also, I forgot, I'm going to put in a little bit of glitter. Shake that all through there. Now, what is vinegar? Okay, it starts with an A. It's an acid. Very good. Acid. Yes, I knew. You probably said it before I did, right? So, of course, it's an acid. And the baking soda is a like in first and second and third base. Very good. All right, for all our kickball players out there and for all of our baseball players out there, happy World Series if you're watching. Okay, so base, baking soda, plus acid, vinegar, will equal a reaction. Very good. And so that reaction is called a gas. And this gas, in this case, is a carbon dioxide. So, like I said, now I set it up where it can run down and we catch it with pans and things. So you want to make sure that you have, you're somewhere where if you can make a mess, go for it. But be sure to have all your bases covered, because this is going to get messy. Just saying. Don't say I didn't warn ya. So I'm going to pour a little more on there because I want ours over the top. Oh my goodness. So, wow. So it came up to the top. Now I'm just going to quickly show you what's going on this end. Look at that. Wow. So that fuzz came all the way to the top. And now, just as you saw, it came all out the eyes, the mouth. And that is what a pumpkin volcano does. And you know, once again, that was a simple chemistry or chemical reaction, right? So we had our baking soda plus our vinegar equals carbon dioxide, which might equal a mess. But guess what? It's all in the name of science, baby. That's right. Okay, now what else can you do with your pumpkin? You can, like, now if you look around, well, on my pumpkin, if you look around your pumpkin, if it's been out in the weather for a while, it may get, you know, you can feel some soft spots. if you don't want to throw it out right away and see really what happens as it decomposes, which means it changes shape as the mold grows. It's a little icky, but once again, in the name of science, hey, you can do that with permission, right? Also, I'm going to keep this for an upcoming slime steam project. So if you want to keep those, or you can go ahead and bake them, because some people love pumpkin seeds. Absolutely. So, once the day has come and gone, we still have our pumpkins, and they still have a little bit life. And so, what do? We make science, okay? So wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, and however you do it, please be safe, please be careful, please get the help always that you need. This is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library, wishing you the best in science. See you soon. Be safe. Bye.